Here we are. Thanks for joining. Let's kick off the global reveal of the Audi A6 Sedan. This is it, the all-new Audi A6 Sedan. Elegant and sporty. Let's explore the exterior.
You can tell by the first look that it has gorgeous proportion, is very extended, and the architecture is this of a typical Audi sedan. This A6 is very business-oriented. It has this arc, we call it the Audi bow, which is part of our history, and this flows into the trunk lid, giving a very prestigious feel to the rear end. The overall proportion is what is important to this prestigious segment. You have the big wheels sitting below these wide muscles, you have the long wheelbase, the stretched hood. Designing the front, we always start with the single frame. It's growing in height. We have the rings sitting between the body color and the single frame, and on top we have the lights slightly above. We have big, clean surfaces that together with the vertical air curtains are making the aerodynamics so good. The rear is unique, with the light signatures sitting at the top, and then all the functions at the bottom with the light strip very long, and then the vertical brake lights. Designing this car, we used a holistic approach to everything we did. We reduced to the minimum lines and details. What makes the A6 Sedan so special is the aerodynamic. We spent a lot of time designing those surfaces and this crisp line on top of the rings that achieved an outstanding performance. My name is Francesco D'Amore. I'm exterior designer at Audi, and this is the new A6 Sedan.
Excellent qualities for everyday driving and long distances.